difference between face-to-face negotiations and telephone negotiations. As you probably correctly guessed, yes, there are a few differences. My name is Giuseppe Conti, I am a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. I want to share with you 5 tips that can help you to be more effective in telephone negotiations. The first one, take some time to preparation. Somehow we consider the face-to-face negotiation as the real negotiations, while the telephone are somehow lower quality kind of negotiation, and then we forget to prepare. Second idea, initiate the call. So don't get trapped into receiving a call from a customer or a supplier and immediately start to negotiate. Tell them that you're gonna call them back, then you have the time to prepare, to have all your facts and figures close to you. Third point, do not check your emails. We all have the temptation to multitask. So as we are talking on the phone and there is an email coming from our boss, then we keep looking at what is happening on our computer. Very dangerous. We know that listening is a core competence for negotiators, so be focused on the call. Forget about anything that may distract you. Fourth idea, take more notes. As you're not going to count on your visual memory to remember what is happening, then make sure that you take more notes, that you can remember what has been discussed on the phone. Fifth idea, pay attention to your voice. There are a number of factors which are associated with credibility with the way you talk. Now, this may be a topic maybe for a separate video. Some of the most important ones are talking with a lower pitch, so make sure that your voice is deeper. Then have a falling intonation, making sure that at the end of the sentence your voice goes down, and avoiding hesitations. There are 5 key elements that you want to keep in mind in telephone negotiations. Take the time to prepare, initiate the call, do not look at your emails, take more notes, and pay attention to your voice. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.